students, I hope you all are doing well. In this section of my video, we will be going through another important concept of magnetic effects of current, that is voltmeter. Going through the basic introductory part of a voltmeter, as a voltmeter is a high resistance galvanometer which is used for the measurement of potential difference across any instrument or any device. Now let us go through the basic concept of this voltmeter. The combination of this galvanometer and a high resistance, both connected in series. As I have just said that a voltmeter is a high resistance galvanometer which is used for the measurement of potential difference across any device. We can make voltmeter by connecting a high resistance in series to this galvanometer. The combination of the two give rise to a voltmeter. Let us suppose Ig is the magnitude of current which is flowing through it, and V is the potential difference developed across the combination, that is the voltmeter. In this concept, we need to calculate the resistance, the high resistance which is connected in series with this galvanometer in order to convert it into a voltmeter of desired range. Again, going through the basic parameters, as G represents the galvanometer resistance, N represents the number of scale divisions, again K represents the figure of merit or current for single scale deflection. Therefore, full deflection current or full scale deflection current Ig can be calculated as N times of K. Now going through the calculation, in order to calculate the magnitude of resistance which is to be connected in order to convert it into a voltmeter of a certain desired range, again from the given circuit, the magnitude of current Ig can be written as V upon G plus R. Simplifying this expression, as G plus R represents the net resistance of this voltmeter, as G plus R is equals to V upon Ig, R equals to V upon Ig minus G. In this way, the magnitude of this high resistance can be calculated. If you connect the resistance of R ohm in series to this galvanometer, you convert it into a voltmeter of range 0 to V volt. On connecting resistance of R ohms, you are converting it into a voltmeter of 0 to V volt, where V is the maximum potential difference which can be measured with the help of this voltmeter. Talking about the net resistance, total effective resistance R equivalent is equals to G plus R. As you have just observed that both the galvanometer and the resistances are connected in series. Therefore, when two different resistances are connected in series, you apply the formula of equivalent resistance as R1 plus R2. So, we can calculate equivalent resistance of this voltmeter by simply adding the resistance of galvanometer and the high resistance. So this was the basic concept and logic of voltmeter. I hope you have understood this concept well. Thank you.